Good morning, first graders. Happy Friday. Today we're going to be solving our application problem for the week. Okay, so first I'm going to read it to you. It says, 10 birds landed on Miss Shaw's grass. Then 4 more birds joined them. A few minutes later, 3 of the birds flew away. How many birds are on the grass now? Okay. So there was 10 in the beginning. 4 more came. And then 3 flew away. It says, hint, this is a 2-step problem. You will need to add and subtract to determine the answer. All right. Okay, so can you solve the problem by drawing a picture, writing an addition sentence, and subtraction sentence? Be sure to include a written sentence that tells us how you solved this problem. All right. Okay, so Miss Shaw has some stuff going on in her house, on her grass. So this problem is about Miss Shaw, so I'm going to put her name up here, okay? Miss Shaw. Okay, so she has some visitors, some birds on her grass, and let's see, 10 birds landed on her grass. So I'm going to draw 10 birds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there's 10. Okay, then 4 more birds joined them. Okay, so there's 10 first, and then over here there's 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so 10, and then 4. It says a few minutes later, 3 of the birds flew away. Okay, so the birds flew away. They're leaving. So I'm not going to add more. I'm going to have to take some away because they left. 3 of them. Okay, so now I have 10, which is a friendly number, and then I have 4. Which one would be easier to take away from? It would be easier to take from 4 so that later we can add with friendly number 10. Okay, so 3 of them flew away. So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to take away 3. Count with me. 1, 2, 3. I took them away. Boom. Now, this is the birds that are on the grass. Now, I have a picture. I'm going to write some math sentences, okay? So, we have to have an addition sentence and a subtraction sentence, okay? So, first, we had 10 plus, how many came? 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember, 4 came in the beginning. Equals. So that's my addition sentence, okay? Now let's solve that. Let's put 10 in our brain and count 4 more. Ready? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 10 plus 4 equals 14. All right, now we have to do a subtraction sentence. So we had 14 birds on the grass. We just figured that out, okay? So I had 14 birds on the grass, and then 3 of them flew away. So I'm not adding, I'm going to be subtracting. Remember, we subtracted. So 14 subtract 3. 3 flew away equals. So let's look at our picture to solve this math problem, okay? So I had 14, and remember I took away 3. 1, 2, 3. Now I have to count how many I have left. I have 10 over here and 1 more. 10 plus 1, 10, 11. 14 minus 3 equals 11, okay? So I have my picture. I drew a picture, I did a writing sentence and an addition sentence. A subtraction sentence and an addition sentence. Now I need to write a sentence about what I did, okay? So we added all the birds on the grass and took away 3. Sound like fun? Okay, I'm gonna try to fit it over here. Okay, my sentence starts with the capital. We added. we added all. A-L-L. We added all the. The is a sight word, okay? T-H-E. We don't have to sound that word out, but we already know it. We added all the birds. Birds. We added all the birds on the grass. On the sight word again. Grass. Grass. We added all the birds on the grass, then subtracted 3. Then subtracted. Ooh, that's a big word. Subtracted. Okay, sub is the first word. Sub. Act. Ooh, that's a word. Act. A-C-T. Subtract. Ed. Subtracted. We added all the birds on the grass, then subtracted. How many did we subtract? 3. I'm just gonna write the number. 3. Period. Boom. We're done, first graders. All right, so Miss Shaw had 10 birds on her grass. 4 more came. 3 of them flew away, and we had 11 at the end. Okay. First graders, I hope you have a fabulous weekend. I will see you on Zoom. You're awesome. Don't forget it.